Imagine your body not just as bones and muscles, but as a finely tuned instrument. In the ancient tradition of yoga, this instrument is powered by 7 invisible wheels of energy called chakras. When these wheels spin freely, life feels effortless. But when one gets stuck, everything from your health to your mood can fall out of sync. Today, we are going to walk on the path from the earth to the sky, unlocking each of these 7 centers to understand how they shape your reality. Our journey begins at the very base of your spine with the root chakra or Muladhara. Think of this as your anchor. It's glowing a deep, vibrant red connecting you to the earth. When this center is open, you feel safe and grounded. To steady yourself here, we use the primal sound LUM. But energy never stays still. As we move just a few inches below the navel, the red softens into a warm orange. This is the Sacral Chakra. If the root is about survival, the sacral is about thriving. It's the home of your creativity and your emotions. When you feel a spark of inspiration, that's your sacral energy flowing. We keep this water-like energy moving with the mantra VAM. Rising further into the solar plexus, the energy turns into a brilliant golden yellow. This is your power center. It's the sun within you that fuels your confidence and your will to win. If you have ever had a gut feeling, you have felt this chakra at work. Ignite your inner fire with the sound RUM. Now we reach the bridge. Right in the center of your chest is the heart chakra. It's the meeting point between our physical needs and our spiritual growth. Glowing with a soft green light, this is where we process love, compassion, and the power of forgiveness. It is the breath of life itself. We open the heart with the vibration YUM. From the heart chakra, the energy rises into the throat chakra. This is your center of truth. It's a cool, bright blue and it dictates how you express your soul to the world. When you speak with honesty and clarity, this chakra is in perfect balance. We clear the path for your voice with the mantra HUM. Ascending higher, we focus on the space between your eyebrows, the third eye. This is the center of intuition. It's not about what you see with your eyes, but what you know with your soul. It's your inner compass, sharpened by the most sacred sound of all, Om. Finally, we reach the summit. At the very top of your head sits the crown chakra, glowing in violet or pure white light. This isn't just about you anymore. It's about your connection to the entire universe. It is the state of pure consciousness and total peace. Here, words often fail, and we find balance in the silence or a final echoing Om. Balancing your chakras isn't a destination you reach. It's a practice of checking it with yourself every single day. By understanding these 7 levels, you gain a map of your own inner world. So, which center felt the most vibrant to you today? Let's talk about it in the comments below.